trade plan was this. No? Okay, so baba tayo sa ating candles. Okay, there you go. Okay, mapapansin mo medyo awkward. No? I took the risk on getting this bounce candle within this area. No? I took that around 82,233, nearing the price rejection. Why did I take it on that level? During that particular time, maganda ang FA natin. No? Maganda-ganda ang FA natin. Meron kang tariff pause and then of course birthday ni coach. Joke lang. No? So we entered on, so obviously meron ka ditong resistance, price rejection. Valid yung SNR mo kasi nang bagsak niya, nung binabaan, talagang humataw pababa. Meron kang bounce. Nung umakyat ulit, so this became an important SNR for me. So therefore, nung nagkaroon siya ng bounce on this particular area, bounce, binounce niya ako dito. Pinasok ko na yan dyan on his particular bounce. Pero here's the thing. Masasurprise ka kung saan ko nilagay ang aking take profit. Tinaas ko doon sa 85,764 within this particular area. Ba't ka dyan nag-take profit, Coach Miranda? Akala ko ba meron ka nakikitang resistance dito?